Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Okay, so today I want to show you a very nice move you can always do on we do a lot of minor songs a lot in your church. People do a lot of minor songs. Songs like Yahweh, Yahweh, you are glorious, so glorious in Yahweh. There are a lot of songs like that, and I guess we've done less of that on this channel, even though we have a lot of videos, but it's been mostly on major songs. So let me show you what I want to teach you today. You know my usual style. I'll play, then I'll show you what I need to. So you need to stay to the end of the video. I notice most times people quit just way into the video. They think, oh, this guy just wants to show up. He doesn't want to. No, come on. If I have given a video a title, then if you watch it to the end, you get that same value that is in the title. All right, so let's go. So don't stop watching so you get the tutorial. So we're gonna use the same song, Yahweh. I'm not a good singer. Yahweh, then you are glorious. So we're gonna do something like this. Drop 2, diminished chord. Glory, so glorious. Let me play one more time. Yahweh, Yahweh, you are glorious, so glorious. Then you can do something like this. So I will show you all that now. I will teach you everything I played, especially on that last part. I will show you everything now. So, but before then, I have a very good offer for people who are watching this video today, in the sense that if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, and a new course I just released, which is 25 gospel songs. I broke them down. I play them. You'll see the chord app and everything. I want to give anybody that is watching this video, I want to give you both videos. It's supposed to cost you about 22 USD, right? If you are paying from abroad, from US, UK, and go, it's supposed to cost you around $22. But I want to give you for $15. And if you are watching from Nigeria also, I want to give you for just 10,000 naira both videos. So if you're watching this video, I'll put, for the sake of this particular video, I'll put my WhatsApp contact on the what's it called? I'll put it on the description of this video and in the comment section. So just chat me up from whatever country. Don't worry, I'll figure out how you do the payment and everything. Just chat me up. If you're watching this video, you have that access. All right, God bless you. You can see the flyers already on the screen. So I'll take them off now to start the lessons. All right, so one of the things with this song is they're always minor songs. They sound a bit, let me not say sad, but then that's what is common to minor chords. You know, we have D minor here. So D minor, D, F, A. So that's D minor. But let me not bore you with all that. So let's go to the main stuff. We have Yahweh 1. Hey. So we started the intro, the tutorial I'll show you now. Yahweh. So then I'll go to 4. I'll do 4, glorious. Then instead of doing oh glorious, I will not do that. From 4, glorious. Then I'll do so glorious. So what am I doing there? Just A flat diminished 7 chord, which is meant to be A flat, B, D, and F. But now I'm going to do a drop 2, which is dropping the second highest melody. This is the first highest melody, F in this chord. The second highest melody that's counting to the left from the right is D. So I'm going to take this D to my left hand. So I'll be left with if A flat, B, and F. So then I'll come down chromatically. So glorious. Then I'll do I'll come down chromatically. You can see that. C sharp on the left, G, B flat, and E. I want to show you something more. Watch out, stay with me. So I'll do F and D, E and C, then F and D. Now, as I want to show you something more, do you remember this song? See how far you brought, right? I have a full video on this song. You can check it on the channel. I have it on different keys. Me, right? So there's something the guy was doing. There's one part where the guy was in. So that stop, that's the same song. So you can do the same thing. Then you do your 3 major, your flat 5 with your 1 diminished 7 chord. Then you go to your sharp 5 with your 2 diminished chord. If you don't understand that, just put it in the comment section. And also let me know which country you are watching from. It's been a while we did this. Let me know where you are watching from. Then to 6. So that's what the guy was in. Was it? And it sounded very beautiful. That's one thing with diminished chord. So I can't remember where it was in that part. I sure it was in. Right. Celebrate my wife.
I can see, I can tell, and I know it's your grace.
All right, go. Wow. All right, go. I mean, this is already turned into a worship session. All right.
I'm so glad you found me worthy.
Right.
I can see,
Right.
I can tell, and I know it's your grace. All my days I will sing.
One more time. Oh. All right. Good. So that's it. So don't forget to get the course. The 2 course will teach you a lot of stuff. Right? All these courses you learn them in the intermediate course. While because you are getting it with the 25 gospel songs, also you also get a course where I taught over 25 songs. So I mean, who doesn't want to go for this discount? If you are ready, chat me up on WhatsApp. I'll be expecting you. All right. God bless you. Bye.